Tom!
101 dispatch.
101.
You can check to see if either MSP or Oakland County has a chopper up in the air.
10-4.
Tom! 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 Tom!
Got him. Tom, buddy, come here. Nice job, Chipper. Nice job.
Charlie, we're on the southwest side of Bay. We hear him.
Southeast side.
Tom! Tom, keep yelling! Tom! Tom, where you at, man?
Where are you?
Keep talking, Tom, so we can get to you.
Jeremy, you're headed right at him. Keep going straight.
Charlie, we got him.
10-4, Tom.
Hey, Tom. You all right, man?
No.
Okay. We're going to get you out of here, okay? Good boy, Chad.
Let me get him on.
101 units out there. Great job.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Chip. Where you go, pal?
Here, Tom, I'm going to help you get out, all right?
Wherever you're at.
I'm right here, man.
I got an open spot this way. Look at where this is.
I like your walking stick.
101 dispatch. Let's have FD roll this way.
Careful, we'll get on the way.
Cop!
Yeah, we're looking for you. Going for a walk?
Yeah, my boss hired me and said, that's the second time and I think you need to leave.
I got you, man. All right, well, we're going to take you home, okay? Your wife's looking for you.
Dolores?
Yeah.